This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 4. When to speak and how. Good speaking skills require practice through quizzes and active participation, covering speaking concepts, voice skills, and transitioning from listening to speaking by maintaining focus and asking clarifying questions. Informal group discussions, active participation through nonverbal cues and interjections is necessary. Adapting communication styles match group dynamics and norms, while exploring communication differences between genders in status versus connection focus, where giving advice can shift communication from symmetrical to asymmetrical. Voice conveys emotions, attitudes, and personality traits through pitch, pronunciation, and other elements, and simple changes like volume, pace, and pauses can significantly transform speech delivery, with voice training techniques like books and videos available to improve speaking skills and surveys conducted to collaboratively understand voice patterns and meanings. Communication skills require ongoing practice and feedback, with listening attentively enabling smooth speaking transitions. Group discussions assessing conversational and assertive abilities, and communication styles differing across genders and contexts. Voice training can improve speech delivery and convey emotions, with practice through quizzes and active participation enhancing skills. Transitioning smoothly by maintaining focus when listening, adapting communication styles based on group norms and dynamics, and identifying and improving undesirable speech habits through practice. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.